In relation to the daughters, Islam focuses a lot on the immense reward of raising daughters especially. And why does it focus on many statements about the daughters? Because usually people focus more on the sons. Not for everybody, but if you look at history and you look at the world, if you were to see the general public, you find that people rejoice over a son because of their worldly benefit. Sons generally have more worldly benefit in this life than the girls, but the girls have other benefit which we neglect. So Islam came to remind us more about